have a full can of stuff over
80, 85, 140?
Yeah. We'll go from there.
That makes me have to want to pee.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it was a hurry up, rush, and my phone rang 1,000 times. These guys probably don't know there is a way to check inventory after hours. You sure it doesn't look like a spoke?
Okay, Kyle. Alrighty. Cool. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Idiots. And oh, and you gotta grind this one?
Yeah.
And then you're good?
Tip top.
So you need 6 more or 3 more?
He's saying 6 more. He's saying as soon as possible. I know that Green said he's got deck that he's got to work on. You were gonna do 3 and then 3 more.
I think I'll probably knock out all the frames in one shot.
Because we have enough supply. We ordered supplies for 3.
Okay.
So we'll order another set of 3.
I would order 3 more.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll get the stuff on order, the steel and everything then.
This is my son, Daniel Green. He was born a long time ago and always got into trouble, but he found his place right here with Kyle and Bordur Leasing, and I'm so proud of him. He does really good work.
Yeah. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Mwah.
When COVID hit, these guys hit me up about making this solar trailer with a mast for cameras for security at construction sites, because all these sites were getting ripped off for copper wire or whatnot. And so this guy had this business, but the way he was setting them up, he'd just hang the cameras on a light pole or whatever and then have a little battery box, and he wanted something mobile with a mast. So I designed a cheaper version of the ones that you see at like the Home Depot parking lot. Now we're at over 100 units that we've built, and we lease a bunch of them out.
Washer dryer is gonna go right here.
Putting this water bay back together, we went through the plumbing and relocated some of the stuff that was up top to get ready for the washer and dryer in there, make room. And so we had to relocate this here from up top, and then some of the plumbing and supply lines. And remove the sink in there and vanity and medicine cabinet, and we're installing a washer and dryer in its place.
I ordered something for that ship here, and I gave me the 3 days.
There's my piece. So that'll fit nicely in there on the inner part, obviously. So yeah, one step closer.
Yeah, and all new hoses on here. Try to do those when we do the transmission swaps, especially if they're in bad shape. You don't want to put brand new tranny in. Well, this isn't a brand new one, but you don't want to put a brand new tranny in and then have it fail because the hose failed on you. Save $500, right? We gotta get this bus done, and then he'll stuff it this week. I'm hoping, right, Alan?
We'll see.
Okay, maybe next year.
Take the rest of the week off.
Yeah, rest of the week off. What are you working on?
Pretty much done with that thing for Jeffrey until he's ready.
Okay. You ready for the next task?
So I guess so.
You got my compressor done?
No, let me do that for you, man. I'll do that right now.
Wow.
It's a little bit, so I have to cut this bottom plate off and then kind of weld it back on in the right position. So that's my next task.
Escuchavo came in and did all the cracked tile work in here from that heavy fridge. Mr. Weaver was in here all last week cleaning up all the wires. Made these quick disconnects, and then we popped a hole through here with our fuse block, so if you need to disconnect something or need to access air doors here or all of our LED lighting controllers there, you can kind of reach behind the fridge. This particular builder, when they built it, decided to shove all the wiring behind the fridge, which I think was an awful idea for servicing, but it was too much of a challenge to move it all at the beginning, so we just got it all cleaned up. It looks way better than it did. Beautiful. Here we go. Doesn't even slam. I love air doors when they operate. When they don't operate, they're an absolute pain. But these are working pretty good. We got one more in the back we got to do. And this bad boy should be ready for NASCARs. Vroom. Right? Wish us luck, but the biggest problem is we have to get this out before dark because we don't have any lights. We got to be legal. Ready?
It's alive! Spinning them.
There's not enough weight back there.
I know.
Get on it.
Hit it.
Well, she rolls.
She goes.
She rolls.
Takes two people though.
Yeah.
Was that only one side?